What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with another video. Today we got a Panini Prizm football retail box. I've only opened one of these and it wasn't on camera, and actually the one of the checkerboards. So you get 3 black and white checker prisms. One of them was Mike Evans, and that's actually at PSA. The others were like no one that anyone would really know. Before we get into this, I want to announce that I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. I know I tried to give away a Victor Wembanyama PSA 9 Panini Instant card if I hit 50 subscribers by like the end of June, but that didn't happen. So now if we hit 50 by the end of July, I'm gonna be giving away this Topps Now Victor Wembanyama Rookie of the Year. If we hit 50 subscribers, all you gotta do to enter is like this video, comment. You can, comment anything, and then just put a number 1 through 50 in, and then if we hit the 50 subscribers by the end of July, I'll do a little wheel spin and see who wins that. So yeah. I think we're at like 36 subscribers right now, so not too many. I know I've been posting some shorts lately. Check those out. Like some highlights, and then I just sent the 20 card PSA submission, and I actually dropped it at the post office yesterday. Well, by the time this video goes up, it'll be 2 days ago, but yeah, so I made a short just predicting what the grades are gonna be. We're gonna do this like, we got sirens. Okay. I've opened up like 2 or 3 basketball ones, but only one football one, and it was off camera. Just gonna move that to the side. But yeah, I haven't opened Prizm football in like a while. Here's like probably, I've gotten like 1 or 2 CJs, but we got this silver Richardson, unfortunately, in a PSA 9, and then a ungraded Puka. But yeah, let's get into it here. Jeez, Claypool. Prismatic Justin Fields on the green ice. Now it says you get 1 green ice. Last time I ended up getting 2. And sorry, just before we get into the next one, I want to see. Okay, so you can't get any numbered cards. That's one thing I actually hate about football products, or like the Prizm at least. Like, you couldn't even get autos from like the blasters or the megas, I don't think. Dontavian, let's go. Couldn't even get autos from blasters or megas. Couldn't get, I don't even think you could get numbered cards either. Like, it's not like they were that popular, and they're like, it's not, oh, here we go, first checker. It's not like you were getting them that often in basketball, but at least you knew you could. Browns. It's Darius Smith, I guess that's not bad. Used to be a Packer. I think we got our first silver too. No, never mind. JSN. One thing I've also noticed about the Prizm football, like a lot of the cards are really off-centered. Like I have a few Will Levises that are just like really badly off-centered. But I like that you at least get like the checkerboards in this retail box, which is you know, something you can't get. And then we got Luke Musgrave. Nice. We got our second checkerboard. Patriots, not a rookie. Hunter Henry, okay. I think this was actually one of the checkerboards I got in my first opening. And then we got another green ice. This is a fireworks one. Yep. Josh Allen on the fireworks green ice. Sorry, just a second. Kid Reporter, and then we got our first silver. It says you get 2. Brett Favre. Eagles, not a rookie. Dallas Goedert. Okay. So mark the halfway point. Okay, good. We're saving our last checkerboard for the second half. Sweet. There we go. But yeah, football hasn't been bad to me. There we go, A-chain. Football hasn't been bad to me. I just think, like, well, a lot of my football that I opened was like, oh, we got another green ice too. A lot of the football that I opened was like when I was first getting back into cards. Justin Fields Portals, nice. Was when I was first getting back into like the hobby, so I didn't really know like too much. Opened like a good amount of Prizm, but again, I didn't really know much about it. Rodgers, nice. Okay, haven't gotten the best rookies. I'd say our best one is probably Wicks and A-chain. Another green ice, holy smokes. AJ Terrell. Okay. You're just flying through these. I think we're still waiting on another silver too. And there it is. Okay. Jay Jettas. Silver Rams. Not a rookie. Tyler Higbee. Jeez. Look at the up and down center on that one. Oh. Okay, we only got 3 packs left and we still need one more checkerboard, I believe. Another green ice. It's on the hype. A.J. Brown. Not bad, like color match, I guess. Last, or second to last pack. No checkerboard, okay. Safe Flowers, not bad. Last pack, there should be a checkerboard. Hopefully we didn't get dripped on a checkerboard. Okay, we got it. We got it. Bears. I bet it's Justin Fields. No, Darnell Wright, okay. Yeah, like, look at the centering on that. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this, top load up any of the good pulls, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, so for the better than average pulls here, first our checkerboards, we got Darnell Wright, Darius Smith, Hunter Henry, and then we got Zay Flowers, base rookie, A-Chain, base rookie, Musgrave, base rookie, JSN, base rookie, Dontavian Wicks, base rookie. Then we got Justin Fields on the Portals, green cracked ice. A.J. Brown on the Hype, green cracked ice. And Justin Fields on the Prismatic, green cracked ice. I guess I probably could have thrown in this Josh Allen on the green cracked ice fireworks, but yeah, I'll top load that up after. So yeah, guys, please leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Again, don't forget about the giveaway. If you always comment something, I know there's a few people that watch my videos a lot. Just add a number in there, enter yourself in, and then if I hit 50 subscribers by the end of July, I'll do a little wheel spin there so you guys can see that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.